The dashboard on Trak is a very important part of your Trak system. It gives you a snapshot of what is happening in the business based on your access level. Every business and every user will have a different view and different things that are important to them that will show in the platform. As a quick navigation around this main dashboard page, you'll notice there are some things that are really important to you that you'll be able to keep an eye on live without having to spend time going into jobs and looking at what's happening in your system. The main feature of the dashboard is the activity feed. The activity feed in the center of the page is a snapshot of what is going on live in your business. Whether they're safe work method statements, tasks, photos, notes, or files are being uploaded to jobs, you will be able to see everything that is happening live in your business. Everything that happens in your activity feed is always date stamped, time stamped, and user specific. So you will always be able to see who and what is happening in your business live. You'll notice that there are activity feeds throughout the platform. There's the main company activity feed here on your main dashboard based on your access level. You'll also notice that each job has got its own activity feed. Each quote and invoice has got its own activity feed. So you can always quickly look at what has been happening in the history of a business, job, or financial component of your Trak platform. You'll also notice on the right-hand side here, your schedule will be here. If you are using the user calendar in the Trak platform and you are scheduling people to the system, their schedule will show on their main dashboard. They'll be able to see the jobs they're working on. They'll be able to see what date and time and any notes that have been added to their schedule from here. You'll also note that your tasks will show here as well. So Trak has the ability to allocate tasks to people throughout the platform. Tasks can be used in lots of different ways, but once you have allocated a task to a user, it will show on your main dashboard. It's really important for you to be able to see what tasks are coming up, when they're due, and the details associated with them. More importantly, you can mark these tasks as complete from your dashboard. By selecting the little arrow on the right-hand side, it will open the task up. You can write a note about the task, notify a user that it's been completed, and then mark that task as complete. It will remove the task from your dashboard, mark it as complete in the job or in your task list, and notify any people that you need to. This allows you to communicate seamlessly with other people in your business so that everyone knows where you're up to. On your left-hand side of the platform here, you'll notice that there is a job overview on the left. Here, you'll be able to search for jobs or create new jobs by pressing the plus button. You can favorite jobs. If you're a business that works on larger projects, you might want to favorite jobs so you can drop in and out of them quickly without having to search for them. You'll also notice that your most recently viewed jobs will be here as well, so that you can click on them really quickly and take you back into the system so you're not forever searching for jobs in the platform. This here is an overview of the main dashboard. You'll also notice across the top of the platform, there are some extra items here as well. The Trak icon and your logo will be here. If you haven't set up a logo, it will just show your main business name. This is where you can always jump back to the main dashboard. If you're anywhere in the Trak platform and you click on your logo, it will take you back to this main dashboard page. Across the top here as well, you'll see that there are different icons across the top. This is your whole of business overview. In the Trak platform, you can look at things in a few different ways. One of them is you can select a job, open up a job, and you can look at the job itself. Or you can use these tabs across the top to get more of a whole business overview. So whether it's a list of all your jobs, all the safety that's been completed on all your jobs, or all of the reporting. You can see a full overview of all the tasks for all of your business based on your access levels. You can see your scheduling of both jobs and subcontractors and individual staff members. You can also see a full finance overview from here as well. Instead of having to open up a job, go into the job and look for a particular quote, you can see all your quoting and invoicing from this main tab. Obviously all of your material orders and purchase orders that have been created in your system and any expenses that have been added to the system. You can see your payments and also manage your day dockets from here as well. This is a really important part of the Trak platform. You do not need to go into each job to add expenses to each job. You can just select the expenses tab and add your expenses in the one central space for different jobs, and it will push all the expenses to all the jobs individually. You'll also notice that Trak has a products system in here as well. The products tab in Trak is really important. It allows you to upload products and price lists directly to the platform or create your own products. These can be used for quoting, or they can be used for invoicing in the system. They can also be used for creating material orders or purchase orders and sending them to a store or to a subcontractor. They can be uploaded and managed directly in the system. Trak also has the ability to manage your notifications. You'll notice that when you set up your Trak account, you'll get notified for lots of different things. They can be managed directly in the platform from your settings, so you can choose what you get notified for, when you get notified, and how. Whether it's email, whether it's SMS, or whether it's just in-app. You choose how you want to get notified for each user in the platform. Everyone will also have their main name details up the top. This is where all of your company settings will be in the Trak platform. You can manage the way that your platform looks, feels, the functionality, the colors, the logos, the details. Everything can be managed from your main detail here. If there's anything that you want to change or something that you want to save in the Trak platform, the first place you're going to go to is your name at the top right, and you'll be able to see your details down here for all of the settings and customization available in the Trak platform. As discussed at the start, everyone's dashboard is different. It is based on what access level you have allowed your staff or people in your business to see. There are things on the Trak platform here that you might not want to see or that you want to turn off. They can be managed in your user roles.